Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now this Hot Wheels vending machine, or should I now say Hot Wheels and Matchbox vending machine. Let's start from the top. All fantasy casting. The Bickering Speed, Desert Drifter, Tooligan, the I don't know what is this. Looks like a dragon. El Viento. The Desert Drifter is a new casting. It's like a jelly. And then Matchbox, we have the armored truck, the delivery express van, Tesla, and this Ford Coupe. And then we have the Bruiser Cruiser. A lot of empty space, a Toon Batmobile in red, Sand Burner, all fantasy casting, more fantasy casting. And over here, the Ford Escort is behind. So if you want to buy Ford Escort, you have to buy this too. Another Toon Batmobile, Lamborghini, MiniGT, Porsche Taycan, another fantasy casting. Why is it 30 ringgit? I don't know. And we have this very nice Nissan Skyline from Inno. But if I were to buy, the box would drop and possibly crack. So nothing to buy this round. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.